In this video, I'm gonna show you how to screen record on my Apple Watch and provide full guide. So you just take a iPhone, open settings, scroll down, press on to accessibility, scroll down. As you can see, showing it to Apple Watch mirroring. Just open this and make sure to enable. Okay, now successfully connect my Apple Watch. Okay, and go to my control center, showing it to screen record option. Okay, now start my screen recording and enable to mirroring. And now start my screen record. Okay, once complete, just stop my screen recording. Okay, all right. Open my photo gallery. As you can see, now successfully record my Apple Watch screen, and I'm just resize this frame. So that's it.